Reading Pioneers is proud to present Simon and Sue Go to the Moon, written by Sara Israel. This is Simon. This is Sue. This is their dear friend, Kangaroo. Simon and Sue learn in a book about the man on the moon and the first step he took. Together, they decided to take a trip. But first, they needed a rocket ship. They assembled some wood, some screws, and some paint. They went right to work without a complaint. They spent hours on end getting ready for the moon. They were set to leave extremely soon. They put on their helmets and their fluffy scarves, too. But their ship wouldn't fly. Poor Simon and Sue. They both rode home to think. But first, they needed a snack and a drink. They also snuck in a little sleep. Maybe their dreams would help them heaps. They should have gone to rocket ship school to learn how to assemble the ship and add the fuel. So they drew some pictures and used imagination instead. Then off to the moon, even if it was from a bed. The end. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to Sara Israel's book, Simon and Sue Go to the Moon, a children's rhyming storybook about two pigs, imagination, and problem-solving skills. I think an imagination can build an endless amount of outcomes in our lives for the better. Simon and Sue are an example of this, as they still had fun flying to the moon despite not leaving the room. With fun and easy to understand rhyming patterns, I hope you support Sara by visiting Amazon, where you can purchase Simon and Sue Go to the Moon as a Kindle ebook or paperback for yourself or a loved one. Once there, you'll see that this book is actually part of a children's book series where Simon and Sue also put on quite a performance. You can follow Sara on Pinterest at ESI Publishing, and don't worry, I'll provide all of the links in the description box below. Sara asked me to read this book, as well as others from the Sammy Learns book series on this channel, and I'm so grateful for these opportunities. If you have a book you'd like to be read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Also, it would really help this channel if you like the video, share it with your friends and family, and please remember to subscribe to stay updated with future read-alouds coming soon. Unfortunately, this is the end of the video. While waiting for the next read aloud, remember to visit Amazon to purchase this imaginative Simon and Sue Go to the Moon children's book. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!